ebusian for aha Ghana 70 VGH message or like, comment, subscribe. Turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded. Ebusian for guy about who I sure NDC abai we mo pa papa bi afero nikwe why is she rough ma ebusian for asana me ko assembly we to assembly so pam chow mumboy na ye upgrade your studio mumboy na intimate data bundle I did upload the content mu there mu be share mu say aha ebusian right and abusian so there we help one another. Now, because a pro MPP platform, we cannot really go get a brand's advertisement. I say, go from people don't want to associate themselves with MPP. It's a munambe boy to keep this going. Platform, it reaches very far. It reaches so far that sometimes you cannot even imagine the kind of people that say that, oh, me sure gonna send and all those things. It's a boy. Why? You need to assemble this way. Now, Nikwe, on a DVLA boss. Now, sa DVLA boss, no, go say 24-hour economy, start DVLA, and 24-hour economy, Nikwe say I start a shot here, DVLA, no, and a black mark, I will meniasi. Now, from that 24-hour, Ntrono, recent Nancy and Alcock Obeka say, DVLA in the Ministry of Foreign Affairs ekuje to ablakwa omo secure deal bia sa deal no ebema DVLA send omo staff ekwa manoni so omo ko renew Ghana for more manoni a driving license ena Ghana for say na who ye correct pa de bibia okay na ya yeti o mine mu no mutimi my driving license Obi apply for license 3 months 2 months asana be produce license no unya mu fie de year asana be ka abontin de no enti Ghana for satisfy o mu di janu to o mu susa no ena okuye to ntentem abayi e DVLA boss na ma say o man ji shi to mu sa o on ni be bia sa DVLA boss ni kwewi akofa asemu e de ba eti say one of the big disgrace that they were dealing with. Just when they are dealing with this big disgrace, as I'm telling you about Ebusian for Papa, we know say he just cannot stay out of trouble. Earlier on our administration last year, crano. As a when you assembly, as a Iyoko also picked them up. Either Iyoko or CID or even OSP. One of them picked him up. He just cannot. The Nikwe guy just cannot stay out of trouble. I don't know what his motivation is. I don't know what his motivation is. I don't know what he wants to achieve. Now, say, who now your DVLA boss? Driver and Vehicle Licensing Authority. Now, DVLA 4, you are in charge of educating drivers and passengers about things to do when they are on the road. Because we are losing a lot of Ghanaians every day to road traffic accidents. And we are doing everything possible, no? Say bet me status quo, no? And that is what successive Abai have been working towards. Now, who are we a DVLA boss, no? Otimi sorry. Tinakamu. Say una uchi car no. Say una uchi car no. The car is in motion. Car no okwan so. Uye video. Do for the see how uye video. Say u tunyo. Ushwe phone so kakra na ma ko shwe kwan so kakra. Shwe phone so kakra ko shwe kwan so kakra. DVLA boss no. Obi aye DVLA boss. I saw enforce a law no. Oh no. Driving or seated, phone, doing videos. And say, how will you go and tell Obi or Tikam, or Trika now science snap no say, Adia Yene Adibone, Jai. How will you tell somebody? Do you have that moral right to tell somebody that? I doubt. Now, yeah, when you answer, no, the worst aspect is say, can you imagine DVLA boss ethical mono seat belt is not on? Seat belt, no, is not on. He has not seat belt, no, he doesn't even care about the seat belt. Obi oya DVLA boss, oh, say, job for the boys, no. So no new. Any job for the boys. Nipa no qualified. Nipa no name sa office who she. But because of one during campaign time, you know, famano. They will keep messing up like that. Yeah. They'll keep messing up. Because Omu are very, very clueless. Omu nemushi. They are so clueless. Your mind be Sa DVLA bossy. It's on resigning. Yeah. UK. Prime Minister I break here COVID-19 rule no. Why yen sa our resigning? Yeah. DVLA boss, you are in a car with that seat belt on. Then how are you conducting campaigns to reduce road traffic accidents? How are you doing it? What are you telling the drivers? It's a shame to you. It's a shame to the one who appointed John Dramani Mahama His Excellency. It's a shame to all of you. Shame. Munim she. Some quas. Tibon kosufo. And I'm arrange you a buying with my higher drink. The way this country was going, that these people have come to take us back like this. Sometimes we can't na oh, Bonnie Benaye. Yakupon say Bonnie Bia who am boy. Eradi. Say Bonnie Bina Yentina. One man NDC 4-way. About buying more. Say, we can't see our left from our right. Cocoa for soon, nurses for soon, Bank of Ghana for soon, Obia soon be no. And who am mobile, Papa, who am mobile, and you. Yadi, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, Cyrus, no. You better about 2028. It would who am boss say. Ahead of 2028, no. Your power chopper. It was for by away they're very Bian Bobby. I mean, who am mobile? Because if things continue this way, there, Ginger plastic chairs.
Them. That's a more short memory. Ampa, most of what you have to fees. There's a Mujina street in the somewhere. A Quiamunia show says, I dare not a agenda just to divert attention.
Because I'm the same thing. I was thinking about it.
I mean, you're on this out.
So that's Coco, no, but
I don't trust them. Attention, no more diverting. Seriously. I don't try. Ya come on, be a Belemani Maggie, ni BM's Maggie Nasan says Maggie near 40 CDs. Entino. They say M's and wired into Mania Belemani Maggie. No ma TSC streets in so. I'm gonna go to ya. Electricity as I'm not ye can I answer me then say half tell ye bao mea the anti twilight na a corner hono. No at Senate the near Becano, no the abay. Yes, Anna. Sammy then figure. Yes, I know, guy. Auntie, you tonight more twilight, Nassie, some more complaining a day.
Well, baby, no cranny say, even NDC, a buyer crasto na. Yes, I made them fee any abusion from that Sonny Haptel. I am a Baumia company, no more than Sonny year, Juma.
Auntie, you to know someone here ready any catch romo. Ya catch romo. Until your mon chile mubium comes as a medium fee. No on church the muy and chilomo. And no more bois. Ex hormono, all my free hormone and patches are up near close to Anna. And you want to know what's in on me the day. Equia, ex horn ye close to Anna.
Almost that so hopper.
That show all my church must say a cost sign or hormone because Mama yen yasun or quasi a big guy been a friend. Bongo idea was a quasi a dino a cofato no son. Ube who be a beckham quasi a same beer when a dino. A dino by one will say nipa no one cancer papa. I feel I'm mutia na muye de day. And no person who have na payola de. Munko so munyai oh. Mutia I ask mo, yenya bro. ekomo de ye nya aduane ndi ye ma ye mobo nti omoma ye nwe ye ho na mama na ye se ono wate omu case ana ono mama de no belusu hwe ekia amunim se Mahama asema oka so bekotubo ho koko ofuo mu no na later beka chance o 50 acres no se koko akuafo no ma adwen ye sharp o mehu se Mahama o serious because ya ya koko afuo mu da na ekia sane koko tie no ka ben pa na betimi era koko afuo mu
de tie ne se baby sa asem ne kwa Mahama kan no ntro no watwa kire se Mahama okọ declare ne assets no ono ankasa de beto abonten dantes meboa ode ne asset declaration no de beto abonten na koko afuo bi enka ho enti tambe na Mahama ehye koko na se na tambe na koko no eso ye anti wo koko
in fact koko farmers no come serious so mo siu no
mo Ghana for njimundi nti no amfa koko afuo na nka
so mo siu no say ye ni abre a ye kan ya asem na asa be gina be sere yen because ye ho ye sere yen sa Mahama o ma nani na ho no jimi o hwe Mahama wa mabobra bia o NDC for ni omunim ni say ye we know how to win power but seriously udi anoma abakura ko gina ho betimi ebu o man asem NDC for how to root the country na e o problem o unse zip line ebaye drones yi unse o man close no because when e be operate Sam George ana okujeto when okujeto akakaya ne sin ase o ya den ko operate drones ambulance omuntimi hwe so chese bibia na nado de baye bia ni wa they don't have the idea of how to go about it. That's their issue. And yes say bia because MPP na de baye nti no but because omuntimi nye nti enye e wose ye close no ne omuni sika nso no maka say e na sika ni ho nti na ye ntimi nye den ye ntimi nye ba ni nyina ye waga dread. You believe Mahama wa mna na wutu nti eni sifuei Ghana fuei ensempa afe na ne kase ebeba o last na guy bi kan say ebe ka Ghana for besa ati achichi omumare hwe sa asem na guy ne kan no people took it say your content na guy ni create one the reality ya dan to accident ye ntimi ye to niama edufudie nti na ye light ne ntimi na so
mu ye pepe
moto ne sope moto ne nketenkete elisa na moto ya na asanti moto na kesi
sama me no ma woni wig e she na asa me mo ba me de paper form wig na e she no enti heat gina na adwin mu ono ti o nyansa bi ama ni tirimu da onto so beja sa wig ne she no nyansa be ba ni tirimu enti se mo pese o ka asem papa okrom ha mo ntu no fu se onya wig ne she na ekua mo ni masem bi ora for no onim se MPP wo ho ombo aba ye wa aba mu no se man ready news ana minim atani general na minim atani general no enso onim se na me channel on a video bi I channel on a video atani general at Star FM ye interview I was like hey baby adru no e say atani general dan serial caller wadane eyi
PR omo chiro mo
no mo nyina ye content creators o I'm create content too.
Hey NDC for more but say kwase bi ogina
for the first time in the history of Ghana a whole attorney general etini ababontia be kase me na ye de me form me team ese ora no me calculation na be kase 21 billion enye na me here yo ntimi ni mu attorney general of this country.
Ekuya is good onim say ono no hit na ontimi also yi ni hu free mu so what you say also yi ni hu free mu
baby so attorney general pa che say okuje tabla kwakwa calculation ne buy one double check e na omo de beto abonten
so mo de power na na omo pay o now they've gotten the power
wait sa 21 billion omo be kan na omo win awi o no omo kan when they wanted power but omo be say Ora is going to give Ghana a sika MPP for awi anko ano omo keka bom no 21 billion no
and na mo document bebre no
and na power no mo kan sa asem no
okay Oh, okay, I see. Any Ghana for Masempa o Adanko Dada do any de yamuno. Some mu ye mu binum si yesi ye jimi. Ye nya hu hwe. NDC for mu ni bibi papa bia de. Na police for no omo ye nhwehwu animu pa ekuya. Ka kire police for no mkochi sami dem finance ne killer no ne killers ne se omo ye nhwehwu animu. Omo ye nhwehwu animu.
Baby, Mr. Pato, I had baby I can hold from Mr.
Nya tro ma menka. Omo ye nhwehwu animu. Yeti krom a yeti mi ku obi na yesi ye nim nipa akro no omo ye den hu say an robbers na eko shoot
say investigation omo yo adwuma
ayo yati
no if you have something made there if I have anything to argue about is the fact that okay that means say your citizens be ho no ma omo no bibi ye omo ebusuafo a yetumi within the frame of 1 week ni ache
yati inti Ghana for say ye hu bi ye hu ne ekoso NDC ba ye
ni na say ye hu police for catch us omo hu na enye say omo hu o usika say won shada nyi obi a we ebusu Ghana
yo so omo na ye tu ye yi dan pare no omo di asa so omo na no omo di asa yan no be say omo na be say ye de sa de ne be say di omo seriously omo na ye be say di omo no omo hu say na tie and then Ghana for ebinum ye mambo for sa NDC for ade de asem aden moti abo mo ye ti wi anka ma bo ankasa mo ye ti wi for mo so mongo mo ho ne ya kire mo NDC ni bia ye tu no ekuya se woni NDC ni bia asan ya NDC ni bia ye tu no ono ade no onim ono so ase obegu ne ho ne ya kire no onye o no ai no ho akaka bensem na o tukono na sese aponchi a yeku na yede na hu eja so ogojira kokko efuo num ho koye den osiri kwa no o scare let us be serious in this country o mama yenye serious o na dia agro na do so dodo chese mama ne de ono no atro na no gusu etwa mama hwe bibi ye o hwe bibi ye
enemiri mu tumi twamfo ni the flower she waso ho umfere ebegina hada
Rosalinda. Adwa Rosalinda.
Adwa kwasi afa ojimi e
Yes baby me pacho me ba Adwa Rosalinda. We know you are suffering from lack of sense. Why? Into the to aso. Move on.
Kwasi a ye so fa so gina ha etia wafu adwuma bi yanka ate hanom.
Adwa Rosalinda, we know you are suffering from lack of sense. Why? So just move on.
Why? Me de manuel si.
Lady C wo I think so Lady C ni ho no.
Me wa ha. Ofe hu nsuo adum abia nye de no ne namo.
Ne nam.
Kokobot e de sika we sponsor Ghana Blasters. Mi hwa kokko akuafo na nkasa esu. Sabi enkaya nyare a na Jo Mahama be ka kire yen say 1 acre of cocoa farm bia obetu mechanized borehole e wo cocoa ne mfimfin na the polytank so na opebre no udi ensuo no apeti cocoa na se ama cocoa na so na kuani wajedi akoto aba ama Jo Mahama miwa okodo Mahama krombole bamboya menuanum sebe momfa nteme ni kromfo eda so ni nantwie ananum nsuo busa Jo Mahama se ni krombole bamboy and the 5 northern region mechanized borehole saying and Jo Mahama were vice president were MP were minister obey president otimi 2 year e northern region na the whole Ghana baby cocoa was also be 1 acre bia no obetu mechanized borehole e na afu enti wafu ye 10 acres a ye betu borehole 10 because 1 acre bia mun ko tie video ni yi na Ghana cocoa akuafo ade Jo Mahama di akoto aba amano ebreko ani kuromu efo kura sabi enya ensuo no Jo Mahama ba ya ni kuromu fo sabi enya dwuma nye o nti omu nyina eba southern part of Ghana sabi ebe ya pawo pa onya sika anko bebie dawadawa factory amani kuromu fo anya bia ye no onya sika anko bebie share butter enkuto factory amani kuromu fo anya bia ye no onya sika anka yam bayire a free sirem watermelon a free esirem nantwie a free sirem no ke nantwie no fu ye betimi dia ya mark ananka betimi asi costo kakraka nanka nantwie meat ananka betimi say bibi yede be bie factory e wosire mu no odi asi aso dama akoma ako 10 ama na asori Assemblies of God na oye lord na bisa ho say sa so dama akoma ako 10 no emfaso be pa na wo not na as an NDC e de be brɛ wo nso dwoma ama be dada Ghana kokɔ akuafo say obetu nsuo e de ama wo mu kokofu hwɛ nada dwoma ama ka kyerɛ Ghana kokɔ akuafo say na Akufo do entua bonus ento ne de okali koko one bag na amono mu hwa koko share hwa na kokra no e de bonus aka ho ama ene kokɔ akuafo bonus no e wo he adum do Mahama no me say de bia me nua aguni chamber me chief spiritualist me chief traditionalist ye de yabodua ye say NDC ni bia winnim we bia wa no e wo baabi obi social media platforms so na wakotwere bawlaya waja Mahama aye mahalaya Mahama aye professional liar na wakotwere bawlaya no agrada enku because Mahama aya trofo nyina da se uja trofo nyina da to Mahama ye ka se ba omia aya trofo a agrada enku
amen
Mahama so bebre wo adum ewie tire empafe na oso ene trumu ekoso wo Ghana on na sie so e kristoni ene waji trumu atom hwe me se adepa adum me de ma no sin adepa ben na eba Ghana NDC amwangu NDC akwese ko na busua NDC akwese ko vivu so adepa bia ba fi NDC mpe o ma beni ko fo tr0uble house NDC for so mo ba o de ben kukobu enso na Mahama de timu a onim Ghana card eba see dun katia mo demonstration enso na NDC voje Ghana card register ton Ghana card ma Ghana fo Mapeni Kufo AC new finance ministry for edan NDC for say causing financial law to the state and so not for forcing any NDC for egum se mwa a mo enjoy the Ghana Maritime Authority dan Mapeni Kufo do AC sameja mfi ni NDC for say causing financial law to the state e come the Ghana for and so na NDC for mwa and go office nim Dr. Baumedi drone eba NDC woman organizer say ye de betwitwa wo mo eho enso ne NDC for na agi drone e de atom ye de drip machine eba NDC for say ya bo oman no eka e come de Ghana for do club boy e mo pa drip machine enso ne adumeda se mo bi nto aso na me ko ba bi mo bi nto